Today I'm excited to share with you the new pack that I received from the Otter Spirit. They have the best gemstones and I love their beaded jewelry. So I want to show you today the newest pack that I picked up, tell you a little bit about the company, and we'll just unbox these together. So I first want to start off by sharing with you the coupon code that they have so graciously given me to share with you guys, and it's Amanda20. I will put it up on the screen. I will also put it in the description box below for you guys. So I'll have a link for you to click on so you can go to their website and see all of the beautiful gemstones that they have. And then you're going to want to use that coupon code so you can get some additional savings on these great bundles or individual bracelets. So they do have where you can purchase a pack, which is curated for 3 different bracelets that kind of have a meaning behind it. The one that I'm going to share with you today is the Love Pack. So it's a great time of year to be getting that one or be sending that one as a gift to someone. The Love Pack is great for Valentine's Day or just any time, anniversaries, birthdays, just anything like that. So I will go over the pack with you guys in just a minute, but I kind of wanted to show you the packaging and tell you a little bit about the company first. So their gemstones are authentic AAA grade gemstones. They're 100% natural and they're just so nice. So they do donate $1 proceeds from every bracelet to some nonprofit organizations like the Monterey Bay Aquarium. They also offer a 2-year warranty on all of their products and they have free shipping over $49 purchases. They also offer free exchanges and then a return up to 30 days. So let me show you a little bit about the packaging and then let me show you the beautiful bracelets that I just picked up. So each one of them comes in this individually packaged box and it has Otter Spirit embossed in this silver on it, and then when you open it up it just has a magnetic close. It says each gemstone tells a unique story. Now it's time to write yours. So cute. So that's why it's great to present for a gift for somebody. And then each one of them comes in this cloth. This is a great way to store them in the cloth if you want to travel with them. And so I've got a pack of 3 and it did come in 3 separate boxes. And one more thing that I also want to mention is there's 2 different sizes of gemstones that you can get. You can get the regular beads, which this is a productivity pack that I had picked up previously. So this is the regular size beads, and let me just put them on so you can kind of see what those look like. And then the ones that I got this time are the mini. I've picked up 2 of the mini packs, and so you can see the difference in the mini style beads and the regular beads right here. So I think both of them are great if you like the regular beads a little bit better, but I think the mini are pretty too. So I'm just gonna show you those 2 side by side so you can see the difference in the mini to the regular. So if you get a pack that is curated together, then the mini are $59.90 and the regular size beads are $69.90 for the 3-piece set. They also have a small, medium, and large size. I usually typically wear between a 7.5 and 7 3/4 bracelet, and I picked them up in a medium, and I think that they fit nicely. So if you have a smaller wrist and usually wear like a 6, 6.5, something like that, you're going to want to pick up the small. 7.5, 7 3/4, pick up the medium, and then anything larger than that, you're going to want to pick up the large size. So this Love 3-pack comes with the rose quartz, really beautiful light pink, almost a white color. And it opens the heart, and then it comes with the rhodonite, which nurtures emotional healing. It's a really beautiful light pink, and then it comes with red jasper, which ignites passion. So altogether, these are curated for the Love Pack, which is great for Valentine's Day or any special occasion, or just to send to somebody that you love, or just to get for yourself. And then you can see that it has this silver charm that hangs from it, and it has an otter on it. It is so cute. I don't know if it's picking up the otter or not, but it is such a cute little charm dangle that comes on all of these bracelets. So all 3 of them do have that. So let me tell you a little bit more about their rose quartz. It is the quintessential love stone, and the affirmation is, I am loved for who I am. And then next up is the rhodonite, which is the compassion and nurturing stone. And the affirmation for it is, I am kind and compassionate to myself and to others. And then you have the red jasper, which is the endurance stone. And the affirmation for this one is, I am brave and won't give up. So altogether, this is such a pretty pack with your light pink, almost white, and then a medium pink that has a marbled look, and then your red jasper. So pretty together. You can wear these individually or you can wear them together if you want to do that. But this is what they look like in the mini size beads. in the size medium on me. And like I said, I am usually between a 7.5 and 7 3/4 length bracelet. And I think these fit really good. They do have a little bit of stretch to them also without having to worry about the beads coming apart. So really beautiful. I love this love pack. I think it's just so pretty, a great gift or just something to give yourself. If you just want to tell yourself that you are loving yourself, this is so good. I love the gemstones, how they have meaning behind them and that they are such a genuine 100% natural stone. This company has some great bracelets. Every month they have a pack that is like a special for the month as well as like a special individual gemstone bracelet. I do like to pick the monthly specials up because I just love how they curate these together. I pick the packs up more than I do just the individual stones. But if you're looking for something in particular or just a particular color, they do have those individual gemstone bracelets that are great to pick up also. But it's free shipping for over $49. And then this pack right now in the mini size, it's $59.90, and then you could use the coupon code Amanda20 and get an additional savings off of these. They're just really great bracelets. I mean, beaded bracelets are such a trendy thing right now, and it's just great to be able to incorporate the jewelry trends with your everyday outfits and just look very stylish, but be affordable, but great quality at the same time. They're so confident in their product that they do offer a 2-year warranty on all of their bracelets. Okay, guys, that's gonna be it for this unboxing on this beautiful love pack from the Otter Spirit. I also have 2 other unboxings from the same company, and I will link those down in the description box if you wanna check those out as well and see the other kind of packs and bracelets that they have. They also have some zodiac sign bracelets. I did pick up a Gemini also because I am a Gemini and I just love the color variation that the Gemini pack had. So if you want to check those out, I will have those in the description box as well, along with the coupon code and the website for you guys to check out all of these beautiful gemstone bracelets. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Also, I would love to have you consider hitting that subscribe button. I do weekly videos on fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. I hope to see you in my next video, and until then, I hope you have a wonderful day.